What if I told you that you can create hundreds of cinematic AI story videos directly from your phone in just one click and completely free? Yes, you heard that right. I'm talking about your mobile device, not your computer. This isn't some desktop-only tool that leaves mobile users behind. This is pure mobile automation. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to set it up on your phone and start creating unlimited AI videos in bulk right now with a mobile-compatible automation system that generates entire story with perfect character consistency, professional voiceovers, and cinematic visuals, all from your phone, and the best part, with no coding, no complicated setup, and yes, it's free. Ready? Let's unlock the AI automation mobile together. First, let me introduce you to the automation tool that makes all of this possible, AutoWhisk. It is a Chrome extension that automates Google Whisk to generate hundreds of AI images in bulk with just one click. Instead of manually creating images one by one, you paste an entire list of prompts, and AutoWhisk generates everything automatically, downloads all the images for you, and does it all without you lifting a finger. It's the secret weapon behind massive AI content creation. But here's the big question. Can you actually use AutoWhisk on mobile? Because let's be honest, most Chrome extensions simply don't work on phones. And that's exactly the problem everyone keeps running into. So is there a way to make this powerful automation work on your mobile device? The answer is yes. And I'm about to show you step by step. Step 1, the mobile automation. Now listen carefully, because this is where most people get it wrong. First, open your Google Play Store right now. Search for Quetta Browser by Qua Networks and install it. This is a 100% legitimate browser available directly in the Play Store that natively supports Chrome extensions without any hacks or risky downloads. Once installed, open it, tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner, tap on Extensions, then tap Install Extensions, and in the search bar that appears, type AutoWhisk. You'll immediately see the AutoWhisk extension show up. Tap Install, and OK. And within just a few seconds, AutoWhisk is successfully installed on your mobile device with zero risk and zero complications. Now that you have the tool, the next question is, how do you actually create story videos with it? What prompts do you use? And how do you make sure your characters look the same in every scene? That's exactly what we're covering next. Step 2, generate your story prompts. Before we can generate images in bulk, we need the story prompts. And this is where ChatGPT becomes your creative partner. So open ChatGPT on your mobile device and paste this exact prompt that describe your story style, then hit send, and ChatGPT will write your complete cinematic story in seconds. Now here's where the magic happens. Ask ChatGPT this follow-up prompt that will generate list of image prompts and hit generate. ChatGPT will instantly give you a perfect list of scene-by-scene image prompts formatted exactly how AutoWhisk needs them. Now, you have your prompts ready, but how do you turn these into actual images on your phone? And more importantly, how do you make the automation run smoothly without any technical issues? Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 3, run the automation on mobile. Now it's time to watch the magic happen. Copy all those prompts ChatGPT just gave you, then open Quetta Browser and navigate to Google Whisk. And here's a critical step. You absolutely must log into your Google account on Whisk first, because if you're not logged in, AutoWhisk will not work at all. Once you're logged in, tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Tap on Extensions and tap on AutoWhisk to launch it. Select Second Classic Version, and you'll see a text box. Now paste your entire prompt list in there, not one prompt at a time, but the whole thing. Then scroll down, tap Start, and when you see 2 options, always choose Run on this project on mobile devices. And the moment you tap it, the automation springs to life. You'll see AutoWhisk start generating images one after another, completely automatically, without you clicking anything. Now this part is extremely important, so listen carefully. Do not close the AutoWhisk extension. Do not minimize it. Do not switch to another app, because the second you do, the automation stops. So just keep the extension open and visible on your screen and let it work. Within a few minutes, you will see every single scene, image generated automatically, and even better, AutoWhisk downloads every image directly to your mobile device without any manual saving. And then you'll see the message, all done. which means every image has been created and saved successfully. But there's one problem you'll immediately notice. The characters don't look consistent across different scenes, and that ruins the storytelling flow. So how do we fix character consistency on mobile? That's what we will fix next. Step 4, fix character consistency. Character consistency is everything for story videos because if your main character looks different in every scene, viewers disconnect from the story. So here's how we solve this on your phone. Go back to your ChatGPT conversation and ask this. In a few moments, and ChatGPT will create separate detailed prompts for character 1 and character 2. Copy the character 1 prompt, go back to Google Whisk in Quetta browser, and open a new project. Paste that character prompt and hit send. And within seconds, your first character image is generated. Download it, then clear that prompt from Whisk. Now copy the character 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, hit send again, and your second character image appears. Download this one too, and now you have both character reference images saved on your phone. Here's where the consistency magic happens. In Google Whisk, tap Add Images. In the subject section, upload the character 1 image, then tap the plus icon and upload the character 2 image. And make sure the check mark is enabled on both images, so Whisk knows to use them. Now tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Tap Extensions, launch Auto Whisk again, select Classic version, paste your scene prompts into the text box one more time, scroll down, tap Start, select Run on this project. And this time, every single image is generated with perfect character consistency because Whisk is using your reference images. Don't close the file, extension, just wait. And when you see all done, minimize the extension and check your downloads. And you'll see every character looks identical across all scenes. Until here, your scenes is ready. But a silent video isn't a story. So, how do we add a professional voiceover without leaving our phone? Keep watching and you will see. Step 5, add professional voiceover on mobile. Let's give your story a cinematic voice using Google's free AI. Open Chrome on your phone and search for Google AI Studio. Tap on the link that says Google AI Studio. Scroll down until you see the section Text to Speech and tap on it. Now here's an important mobile step. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and enable Desktop Site because this ensures all features load properly on your phone. Select Single Speaker Audio. And now choose the voice that matches your story's mood. Take a moment here because this voice will carry your entire narrative, so play a few samples until you find the perfect one. Paste your complete story script into the text box. Tap Run. And within seconds, Google generates your AI voiceover. Tap Play to listen to it.
The valley lanterns go dark all at once.
And if you are happy with the quality and emotion, tap Download and the audio file saves directly to your phone. You have now images and voiceover. So what is the final step? How do you put it all together into a finished video right on your mobile device? Let's finish this. Step 6, edit your video on mobile. You've got everything you need sitting in your phone storage, all your scene images downloaded, and a professional voiceover ready to go. So go ahead and open your favorite mobile video editor. I'm using Edits, the Instagram editing app, and import all the scene images one by one into your timeline. Then import the voiceover audio file, and now line everything up so each image appears exactly when that part of the story is being narrated. You want the visuals and voice to sync perfectly. Add smooth transitions between scenes, but keep them subtle. A simple fade or dissolve works great. You don't want flashy transitions distracting from the story. And if you want to enhance the cinematic feel, add filters. And don't forget to add animations to your images by selecting the first one. Next, go to Effects and select Zoom, then go to Second Image and select Zoom Out, and apply this for all images. And lastly, add captions. So go to Captions, click All Audio, add Style, and choose any one that matches your video. And that's it. Your video is ready. Check for any issues, adjust if needed, and once you're satisfied, tap Export, and your phone will render the final video.
The valley lanterns go dark all at once. Mira stops, listening as the forest falls silent. A wooden knock echoes from the old shrine.
Congratulations. You just created a complete cinematic AI story video using nothing but your mobile device and free tools, with no single dollar spent, no single minute at a computer, just pure mobile automation. This entire workflow is 100% mobile, 100% free, and 100% automated. Your phone is now a complete AI video production studio. But if you want a full desktop automation, check out this video where I show you how to make Veo 3 run on AutoFlow. And if this tutorial helped you unlock mobile AI automation, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to AIpreneur because we are dropping more AI tutorials every single week. Thanks for watching, and see you next tutorials.